Alright guys, so to start things off for our aloo choka, I have some potatoes that I already peeled, and all I'm going to be doing is just cutting it up into small pieces because we're going to put it to boil, make it easier and take less time in the pot. Aloo choka is something that I love to eat with dal and rice and any sort of curry, sometimes stew as well, but I just love the combination, the aloo choka, dal, rice and some spicy curry. So I have my potato cut into small pieces and I'm just going to put this to boil. I'm just going to add it to my pot and you're going to let it cook until it's properly cooked through. You want it soft because we're actually going to be using a potato masher to mash it up into small pieces. So while the potato is boiling, just going to be chopping up an onion, tiny fine pieces. I have some green seasoning, some hot pepper, and 1 clove of grated garlic. So we're going to add all the potato once it's boiled and cooked through properly. We're going to add some salt, some black pepper, and we're going to chunk it by adding some hot oil to it. Alright, so we've got our potatoes finished boiling and I'm just using a potato masher and I'm just going to mash it all up. You don't want to get any chunks in there, so you want to mash it up properly. Then I'm going to be adding the chopped onions, green seasoning, garlic, and my pepper. I'm going to mix it all up. To this I'm adding some salt and some black pepper. So I'm going to mix this up around again, and I'm going to put some oil to heat on the stove. Then I'm going to add it to this. So I just put the oil to heat in the pan. I'm going to make sure it gets nice and hot, and then we're going to be throwing it into our potatoes. Alright, so our oil is nice and hot. Be very careful not to get burnt, and you're just going to add it in. And very carefully you're going to mix it all together. And you got yourself some nice aloo choka to go along with anything you want. I like mine dal and rice. That's exactly what I'm going to have it with. Alright guys, and that's it for our super fast aloo choka video. It's a nice side dish to go along with anything. And it looks good, tastes delicious. Just one thing to note, if you're going to be adding green seasoning like I did, if you do include stuff like celery, be careful, it can spoil food very quickly. My green seasoning was just a simple shadow benny, garlic, pepper. So that should be okay, but anything else could spoil it pretty quickly. So thanks for watching guys, and be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you did like it, and share it with all your friends and your family, and don't forget to try it out as well. You will love it, I guarantee.